So this is 60, just put into this folder, these nice blue folders, and I always look at the drawings in a completely different way. I mean, because I'm so far removed from when I did them, it's all fresh. You know, everything's fresh and new, and I can't remember doing them, to be honest. But there are things that I like about them now that probably at the time didn't think too much about them. So it's kind of a reflective process. You know, when I look at this, and I may have decided for some reason I didn't like these, and at the time, and when I come back and look at them, and there's lots that I like about them. I mean, things like this, which is just, I think at the time I was quite impressed with that. After I'd finished it, I was quite pleased with that. But as I say, it's just nice to reflect on them. I think that's the thing. I don't think people look at their work in a objective, reflective way anyway. I think it's just a case of it met a criteria, it met a detailed execution or whatever. Whereas for me, because of everything being so spontaneous, you know, these are not considered. You know, it happens, and it occurs, and the result is what it is. So there's not this, did it meet the criteria kind of thing. It's just whether I like it or not. So when I look back on them, and I look back at the various, I mean, you see that one that's just there, the various and the various sort of outcomes, which is some quite smooth and quite detailed drawing, and others, and again another detailed drawing, but others are more spontaneous and more in the moment. I think all of them start in the moment. Some of them become more detailed, as I say, this kind of thing. They become, you can see the moment is there, but some of them suddenly become more worked, more finished. But it's, as I said, it's such a nice thing. And when I go back further, this is current stuff, so it's going to be fairly, last 2 or 3 months. But when I go back further, it's also kind of revealing, I suppose, in a way, the way I was thinking about things. Let me just look at this, bring this one into shot, if it's in shot. But, the things that I just did without thinking too much about whether or not it needed to be smooth, and then in that case there, whether or not it needed to be, highly finished, or it's just things that happen in the moment. As I say, again, there's a typical example there. There's some of this highlight at the top there, and then it doesn't need to be. It still remains the drawing, And for whatever reason, I stopped. It's the same with that one. It's just that was such a momentary, spontaneous thing that I remember at the time thinking, this is so connected. Somebody was disparaging about it and said it was a spider crawling across the pavement, but you can't educate everybody, can you? Anyway, and then this again is, there's glimmers of the finish, but there's also this very spontaneous and expressive and in the moment kind of visceral effect. It's the same with that one. That's a very in the moment. Again, the marks are full of life, and I think that's probably one of the most important things to me. And Peter Cushing there, but it's this idea of it having life in the marks. It's just such an important thing for me. I can't explain that why that's a thing for me. I just think that even when people are painting, I like to see life in the marks, and it's not a contemporary kind of looseness. I don't think it's that. I think lines can be very deliberate and still have life in them. But as I said, there's 60 there, and it's just quite nice to reflect on them and I suppose, you see, the danger is, I don't want to say, oh, I like that and I'll always do that technique. That's not how it works. I can't really describe exactly how I come to this conclusion. It just happens this way, and that is the thing I've come to sort of cherish, I suppose, is that it needs to be allowed to happen, and regardless of what my intentions are, if I've got any intentions, I just need to let the thing happen to become what it can become. I think that's probably one of the most critical things, is you've got to allow the drawing, the portrait, whatever it might be, to become all it can become.